Hey class, this is just a quick video tutorial for if you don't have access to Photoshop and you want to create a larger printed image that you can use to trace out onto a piece of illustration board. So for example, you have to pick an image of a bug, right? So let's pretend this black dot is the bug. And if you wanted to print something, say, at 1117 and you put it on 11 by 14 piece of Bristol board, all you do is go down to Staples, have it printed out at 1117, and then just, use the transfer method I outlined in class, and then it's on your illustration board. But if you're, stuck at home, you can't get to Staples, whatever, you have a, home printer, they usually only do 8.5 by 11. So what we're going to do is we're going to double up the image, and I'll show you how to do this. So it's really simple. Now, first thing that you have to do is you have to go to, now if you have Photoshop, use the other tutorial, but apply this double technique, meaning print it, split halfway down the middle. If you don't have Photoshop, you can just go to photopea.com, which is a web address, www.photopea.com, and you have basically Photoshop with ads. And so you can basically do this anywhere. You don't have to own Photoshop or have a license. Okay, so first thing we have to do is understand that up here, you can see all these controls up at the very top here. Those are for Firefox. The ones for Photopea are right down here. So you'll have file and filed, so you get confused sometimes. So first thing you have to do is under the word view, which is right here, not this view, click here, and you're going to go to the word rulers and just click on it. And you can see these rulers have now popped up. Excellent. We need those. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to the word view, and you want to go to the word snap to and check guides. Then again, you're going to go to the word view and you're going to check the word snap now. And to make sure that it works, we're going to go to view and we're going to see there's a check next to snap and there's a check next to guides. That's what you got to do. Okay, now you're ready. Okay, so we want to use the move tool, which is up here, the very top, very top of your toolkit. This is your toolbar, and here's your toolkit. So very, top here is, you can see here, if you hold it down, you can see move tool pops up. If my cursor wasn't too big. And I'm going to go to the sidebar here. Okay, this is your vertical. And I'm going to put the cursor right inside the ruler, and I'm going to click and I'm going to drag, and you can see there's a line, okay? And I can let it go, it's okay. But you just bring your move tool, it has to be in the move tool. If it's not in the move tool, it doesn't work. You grab it, and as you drag it over, it's going to snap in place and stop somewhere. You're slow enough. Now, if you can't see it, you go up to the thing that says distances, click on it. And now you can see where this little 960 is. Okay, that little red thing is the number of pixels all the way across. So what I usually do is I grab it and I bring it over to the word 960, and you can see, now I can see as I go slow, you'll see the blue line kind of jump and stop. There it did. There's the snap. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and snap. Okay, so this is dead center. Perfect. Okay, even if the bug isn't dead center, we want to split it up in two. I'm going to uncheck this distances so that it's gone. And now we're going to grab this tool, okay, which is, it looks like a square, a dotted square. Click on that. And what we're going to do is we're going to start from the upper corner, and we're going to just click and drag, and it should snap to the, go all the way to the bottom, even off the page, and it should snap right to the blue line. Now, if you zoomed in, you'd see the dotted line is right here. So what we've done is we've created, by dragging this curved, this dotted square over this whole area is we've told photopea, or P, whatever it's called, that this is the area we want to copy. So you'll know it because you can see the dotted line going all the way around. That's all you got to know. All right, so there's 3 steps. 1, we're going to go hold the command key or control key, depending on what you have, a Mac or PC. Command for Mac and control for Windows. So I'm going to hold, for me, I'm going to hold Command C, and that means copy. If you can't do that, then just go up to the word File, or I'm sorry, Edit, and you go to Copy, and click there. Oops, Command Z is going back a step, so let's go here and we'll say Copy. Okay, so I think I cut it, that's why it disappeared. You can see up here it says Edit or Copy. I think I hit the wrong one. Hit Copy. So now it's copied it to the computer, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go to File and we're going to go to New. Okay, File is right here, New, and then you just hit over here where it says Create. Click that. Now you've got a box that's the size of the whatever the dotted box. It's the exact same. So all you have to remember is Command V. Okay, that's paste. Command C is copy. Command V is paste, or Control V is paste. And now what we're going to do is you can't really print from here. So what you have to do is you have to save it. So you go up to the word File, and you can save it as a PSD, but I don't need to. I'm going to export it as a JPEG so it's flat. So export as a JPEG and hit save. And I'm going to save the file. One more dialog box pops up and boom, hit OK. Now, it's down here right now in my downloads. So if you see here, there it is, ready to go. Now, I'm going to go back here to this, and make sure you're in the dotted box again, and just click and drag this dotted line box until it goes into the other side here. And we're going to go Command, or just remember to go up to the word Edit and go to Copy. Okay, and then we're going to go again, File, New, and then just hit Create. It's over here. And then we're going to go up to the word Edit, and we're going to go to Paste. You can also do Command or Control V. Okay, so now that's done. Now we have to save it. So we can save it as a PSD, but it's better to just export it as a JPEG. Okay, here it is under File, Export JPEG. Hit save and hit save again. And now I know that in here, in my downloads, there are the 2 images. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to double click on one of them, and then I'm going to go File, Print. You're going to do this with both of them. Okay, so right now, when usually first, you can see it in different orientations here. You want to pick the largest one. So I'm going to hit Scale to Fit. Okay, not Scale. That's very, very, very important. Hit Scale to Fit, and then make sure whichever one looks bigger. They're both about the same, so I'll just leave it there. But it's very different in you have different size images. So just Scale to Fit and pick the one where it looks the biggest, and then hit Print. And so I've done it already. I'll hit it there. It's printing. And then I'll go to this one, double click it, and open it up, File, Print. Again, you want to hit Scale to Fit. Make sure it's in the exact same orientation as the last one. Okay, don't change orientations, and always have Scale to Fit. Then hit Print. And then once they come out, you just have to cut off the white border and then tape them together, and it's double the size. Okay, that's it. And there's a picture which I will show you afterwards, and in the email, which I will email out to the class. And that is that.